Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, you're such a cute doggo. What's going on, you guys? Just gonna do a quick little unboxing for you. Wham. There we go. Now, probably wondering what this is. This is going to be for Baby Beach. If you don't know who Baby Beach is, it is the Z125 that I have. And that is what my girlfriend named the bike. So, without further ado, sorry for the lighting and the conditions, but we have the cam cover for the Z125. As you can see, without getting my fingerprints on the glass, it is clear. So you're going to be able to see the cam spinning in there with all the oil moving around, which I got the Motul, I believe that's how you say it, 300V engine oil, which is green, so I think that'll look pretty freaking cool. Also, once again, I'm sorry for the lack of videos. I will be ramping up the videos as much as I possibly can here soon. And we won't get this installed tonight. We will get this installed next weekend because Josie, my girlfriend, if you don't know, has to learn how to change oil because the Z125 is our bike. It's the bike that she is learning on. So she has to learn how to change the oil on the bike. So gonna skip forward probably a week and see you then. Someone right here, Josie, my beautiful girlfriend right here, is gonna be learning how to change the oil on the Z. And on top of that, we got the clear cover for the camshaft that goes right there, and she'll be installing that as well. But first, we're gonna do a little something different. We're gonna say hi to Ivy. Hi, Ivy. Hi. Oh. Yeah. She's all chasing it. So we're gonna do something different. Josie has never tried MREs, so she's gonna try one. I think you wanted what, the cheese tortellini one?
Yes.
So we're gonna get her reaction on eating her first MRE. She's gonna do the cheese tortellini. I'm gonna do the spaghetti with meat sauce. So obviously these are the better ones out of the bunch.
Oh,
but
really?
yeah, these two are the better ones. There's some fucking nasty ones. Alright, babe, she's just gonna throw it on the ground.
She's gonna eat Pikachu. Alright, before it gets cold. Okay.
Papa?
Sheila, you're throwing Pikachu. Okay.
She's gonna eat it. So I must just put that up on back of the car.
It's Alfredo sauce.
No, it's Alfredo sauce.
Wait, what?
Well, I know it's cheese tortellini.
Okay.
Never said Alfredo.
I don't like tomato sauce.
Well, babe.
What?
Tastes so good.
Aw.
Try it. What do you describe what it is?
It looks like. Well, it's not. I can't say mac and cheese, but it's really smushy. It looks like one of those mushy pastas, lasagna kind of thing. But okay, can I get tapatio?
Yeah, it was something in your bag, I think. Well, I do. Right there. You're gonna rock this one, right? Try mine. Try it. Try it. Come on.
That one.
She's gonna rock this one, boys.
It's so dry. It has that bitterness.
Just wait till she tries the pound cake and the snack bread. This is some gourmet stuff.
Like. Can I carry her down?
If you want to.
I'm carrying.
Alright, what's going on, you guys? So, we're back and we're going to get started on the Z, and I'm going to run you through everything real quick. So, what we got is, like I said, we're going to change the cam cover there, and from this is what we got going on right here. That's the part we're going to be putting in there. We got the oil filter, the oil, and then a new O-ring for the oil filter. And replacing the oil filter will take 1 liter of oil. You ready to learn, babe?
Sure.
All right, so first thing you're gonna do is gonna be 4 Allen keys. 1 here, 1 here, and then 2 on the other side in the same location. So go ahead and take these off. Leave everything in there.
Time to live it up. Why are you just that one, not the green one?
It doesn't matter. As long as it gets lived out, it'll be fine.
So we don't need to clean it
Inside there?
like this.
I'm gonna run a paper towel over it. Yeah?
Yeah, Ivy? How much you want to bet? If we just put Ivy in the walker with the TV, she'll be fine.
Probably. Yeah.
Why is it pink?
Here you go, babe. Hold on. Drop a screw. I'll hold it while you screw it in. I'll just hold it for you.
I want to put the pretty. I want to put it in the pretty. I want to put it in the pretty.
Here, watch out real quick.
Let me see.
Watch out real quick.
Come on, let me try.
Okay, but watch out real quick.
That. Oh, it's sexy.